Nature Squared are renowned for creating beautiful things for beautiful spaces. They have created an abstract installation of natural feathers.
It is approximately 3,000 feathers, which are prepared and sorted. The feathers are all selected in different sizes, cleaned, brushed and prepared, and also with small angles for a stitch operation to wove it. And it is really a preparation that it is nearly like the skin, like the surface of the bird. The opportunity of the gallery concept itself allows us to work with the content of natural products that never seen before in the automotive world.